This video walks you through how to update an employee's tax withholding in Gusto. Once you are already signed in to your Gusto account, begin from the main dashboard and look to the left-hand menu. Click People to open the list of employees connected to your account. When that page loads, find the employee whose tax withholding needs to be updated, then select that employee to open their profile. Inside the employee profile, look for the additional section. Under that area, click Taxes. This opens the part of the profile where the employee's tax settings and withholding details are stored. Take a moment to make sure you are viewing the correct employee before you make any changes, especially if several profiles have similar information. Next, locate the employee's federal tax or federal withholding information. In that section, look for the available Edit or Update option and click it to begin changing the withholding details. Gusto may show the information in a form or an editable panel depending on the account view, but the action is the same. You are opening the employee's current federal withholding settings so they can be revised. Now update the federal withholding details as needed. This can include the employee's filing status, dependents, additional income, deductions, or any extra withholding amount that applies. Enter the new information carefully and make sure each field reflects the intended update. If only one part of the federal withholding needs to change, leave the rest of the existing information as it is unless you have a reason to adjust it. If you also need to update state withholding, stay on the employee's tax page and locate the state tax information section. Once you find it, select the edit option for that section. This opens the state withholding fields for review and changes. Enter the updated state withholding information exactly as required for that employee. The fields may differ depending on the state, so focus on the entries shown in that section and update only the information that needs to be changed. Before saving anything, review the tax withholding details on the page. Check both the federal and state entries if you updated both, and make sure the information is correct. This is the point to confirm that the filing status, withholding amounts, and any related selections match the intended changes. A quick review helps prevent incorrect payroll tax settings from being applied going forward. When everything looks correct, click Save to apply the changes. Gusto will store the updated withholding information on the employee's profile. Thanks for watching. The employee's tax withholding information in Gusto is now updated and saved.